First train. It's 4:51, all locked up. Few people on the platform are gonna get a ticket for this special occasion. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to tap these paper tickets or not. You do, okay. So unfortunately, no markings on it. That tells you when this ticket was purchased. So it's 5:03 right now, and there is the first train arriving for service. 60 to 70 people on the platform. Woo! Trying to get people off the yellow markers there. There we go. One of the first on the train. Here is the map. Okay, so it's 5:10. It says charter on it, actually. I'm a little confused because it's 5:10 and the train has departed. It wasn't supposed to leave until 5:15. Grey Nun stop. Okay, here we go. Milburn Woodvale. 5:16. The destination signs have turned on. There's actually another car behind us. So. Train is downtown there. This is Avonmore. 6:30 check. Look at Bonnie Doon from here. There we go. There's the other train. It is full of people. Holyrood. Strathern. The stop is actually called Churchill Connector. Downtown view right there. The bridge looks pretty cool from here. Wow. Mutter. This is the Quarters stop. And she's the actual first passenger. Yes, she's heading to work. There we are. We have arrived. It is 5:40 a.m. I'm taking it. The last piece of cake. Here we go. I got some of the cake too. The first Valley Line train in service. We did leave 5 minutes early, but we waited 3 years. I'm hopping on board.